gracious, I didn't know that. Oh, it does make a bed. Okay, cool. Wow. I didn't know that made a bed. Now you can take your naps in there. Your private little house.
It's so cool in here. Let me get in.
Did you get that shot?
That would have been it. Good morning.
Wow. Look at her hair. Look at her hair flying up with the static. You gotta get it. Here we go.
Elizabeth didn't know what to make.
Wow.
Look at your little bed, Elizabeth. How cute. You like it?
Get the hair.
That's a picture for your husband. For your first date.
Like these bathtub pictures.
Blackmail.
Everybody ought to have a bathtub picture.
Anything else for Christmas? What's all of the presents?
I know.
Scarlett, your hair is just wonderful.
I know.
We'll open them in a second.
Elizabeth just doing
You like
it in.
They love that.
It's a doggy door. It says doghouse on the outside of it. So you could add your, you know what you could put there, Scarlett? Your tunnel. So y'all have a way to get in and out of your house through the doggy door.
A good idea.
Or baby, you can go in the doghouse. You want to go in the doghouse?
Yeah, I see. Maddie Bear was looking at it very carefully last night. Hey. 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 Look at that.
The sound of children's laughter.
Hey, look at this!
Yeah, you can take him down, honey. It's a Velcro thing. Oh.
Take your house out with it.
How did I even make this?
Oh my goodness.
Elizabeth.
She shut the windows. Look.
Now you can close the windows.
God,
Nobody can
how
see
did
in.
Santa Claus do that? My gracious.
Elizabeth thinking about coming out the window.
Well, I guess we won't be seeing them again for a while.
Good night.
Good night. Go easy, gentle, gentle. Gentle, honey. Gentle, atta girl.
Lizzie.
Nobody's home. All the windows are closed.
You like it? Elizabeth. Elizabeth, do you like it? Yeah? Yeah.
I think that's obvious.
Can you show her how to roll those chairs back up?
Peekaboo.
Sissy will show you.
I already know what this last one. I already know what the last one does.
Okay.
Here, honey, get it for you.
So what we'll do, Scarlett,
Here we go, darling.